Understanding the phrase, turn off the oven. Hello, everyone. Today's lesson is all about a common English phrase, turn off the oven. This might sound simple, but it's packed with meaning and is a great example of how English uses verb phrases. Let's dive in and explore what this phrase means and how to use it in everyday conversation. Turn off is a phrasal verb, a combination of a verb and a preposition or adverb that changes the meaning of the original verb. In this case, turn is the verb, and off is the preposition. Together, they mean to stop a device from working or to stop the flow of something. Oven is a noun, referring to a kitchen appliance used for baking or roasting food. It's a common household item, and understanding how to talk about it is essential for daily conversations, especially involving cooking or kitchen tasks. Let's see how turn off the oven is used in everyday language. 1. Direct instruction. If you're cooking and the food is ready, you might say, "Can you turn off the oven?" Here, it's a straightforward request or command. 2. Safety reminder. This phrase is often used as a reminder for safety purposes. For example, before we leave the house, did you remember to turn off the oven? 3. Figurative use. Sometimes, this phrase can be used figuratively to mean stopping or reducing the intensity of an activity or situation. For example, after the busy holiday season, it's time to turn off the oven and relax. Understanding similar phrases can also be helpful. Turn on the oven. This is the opposite of turning it off, meaning to start the oven or begin its operation. Preheat the oven. This means to turn on the oven and let it reach a certain temperature before using it. Turn down the oven. This means to reduce the oven's temperature. Turn off the oven is a great example of a simple English phrase with practical applications. It's useful in cooking contexts and can also enhance your understanding of phrasal verbs. I hope this lesson helps you in your journey to mastering English. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.